Collecting and storing your own seed can be a very satisfying garden task, and here are a few tips about how to go about it. The first is to know when your seeds are ready to be collected. The seed heads will go very papery, and you may even be able to hear the seeds rattling around inside. So that's the time to pick a warm sunny day to go out and start tapping them into a paper bag like these poppies. And another plant that you can tap like this is the Nigella or Love in a Mist. Other seeds might need a little bit more encouragement to come into your packet by some gentle scraping like this Sanguisorba Elaine is preparing. And yet others you might need to pop the whole stalk into the top of the bag and leave it for a few days in a warm place for the seeds to drop out into your seed packet, as Elaine is doing with this Lavatera seed. Now most seeds you will be storing and sowing in the spring, but there are some groups that prefer being sown fresh in the autumn. So umbellifers, anything with a flower head like a cow parsley, or anything in the primrose family, or indeed hellebores, these all germinate better if they're sown fresh. So this is an umbellifer, Mollopispermum, and I'm gathering the seed, but I'm not going to store it, I'm going to sow it fresh now. So just pop it in a pot, obviously label it, and then I'm going to put it outside to weather over the winter and I'll get a better germination. Now another tricky family are legumes like sweet peas, because their pods, when they split open, they tend to eject the seed all over the place, so you lose a lot of it. So what I do is I harvest it when the pods are brown and papery, but not open. I pop it into a paper carrier bag and put that somewhere warm, like an airing cupboard, for a few days. So as the pods explode, you collect the seed. Now, if the seed is a little bit dirty, if your seed sample has some bits and pieces in it that you don't want, a good trick is to tip it on some paper, fold the paper, and then winnow it gently by blowing, which blows all the light chaff away, leaving the heavier seeds and giving you a cleaner seed sample. Now to store the seeds, label your seed packet. Always do this before you put the seed in, so it's a flat surface. And a tip here is if you do it in pencil, then you can reuse that seed packet next year simply by rubbing the name out and putting a new one on. So you tip your collected seed into the labelled seed packet, seal it, and then best to pop it in a tin in the dark where you keep all your seeds together, you don't lose them. We do this in our shop. It's a small one, and if you're a keen gardener you might need a bigger one that also has a labelling system. Then pop that somewhere cool, like a frost-free porch, over winter. If you've enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to our channel and follow us at the3growbags.com.